In this video, you will learn how to generate this QR code in Microsoft Excel. You can see here I have generated this variety of codes using Microsoft Excel. I am Dr. Tahir Mahmood and you are watching Teaching Junction channel. Let's start this tutorial. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data and you will learn how to generate QR code using variety of data. For example, first QR code was generated using the website link, second one is generated using cell number, and third one is generated using the name. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. To generate QR code, firstly go to this get add-in option and from search bar you will search QR. Here you will find the option of QR for Office. Click on add button and click on continue. Now you can see here the QR for Office window appeared here. Now you can put your data here. Firstly, you can see here there is a address. From drop down menu you can select any one. For example, firstly I want to generate QR code from a website address, so I will select HTTPS and I will write the website address here, which is www.teachingjunction.com. Secondly, you can select the options, the color of your QR code and the background. I will not change them. Here is the option of size of QR code. You can adjust the size of QR code using this option and you can improve the readability of the QR code using error correction option. After doing that, click on insert button and you can see here the QR code is generated for our website. Now click on it and place it anywhere where you want, and you can also adjust the size using these handles. Secondly, now if you have already installed the QR code, simply I will close this one, and if you have already installed it, you don't need to install it again and again. Simply double click on my add-in option and here you can see here the QR for Office code appeared here. Simply double click on it and this window will be appeared. Now come to second point. I want to generate QR code using my cell number. From here I will select tel and I will write my cell number. From here I will choose a different color. For example, I will choose red and background white. Now I will scroll down and from here I will adjust its size. Now click on insert button and you can see here the QR code is generated for my cell number. Similarly, now I want to generate a QR code for my name. From here I will select custom and here I will write my name, which is Dr. Tahir Mahmood. Now I will select green color, black color and with green background. I will adjust its size and scroll down. Click on insert. Now you can see here another QR code is generated. Now we will check either we have correctly generated this QR code or not. For that purpose we have to convert this into image. Simply I will use snipping tool. Go to snipping tool and I will select new. Select this QR code. Now I will save it on desktop as in the form of image. So I will go to save as option, and in desktop I will select this one. I will close this one. Now I will open Google. I will write QR code reader online. Select first option. From here go to upload file. In file option select that particular image which you have recently saved. Click on open. Now the code is scanned and now you can see here that our website address appeared here. It means that we have successfully generated this QR code using Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.